problem?
No, of course, there's no problem. I got you a gift. Here, it's for you. You can have it. You don't like it?
Ever will I hate him, even though you do not show it, that you are better off and that I am just your shadow. But never, for I know who I am. I am Zulu. I am the son of my mother.
Yes, you are indeed the son of your mother. Akugo, the silent killer, and the viper of Amanfo. Remember who you are, and stand always. Stand to your feet, and your shoulders raised high. Whoever fights you begins a war with me, and I shall bite and crush them with my own bare hands.
Mother, father gives all his attention to Ikenga. He doesn't even look at me.
Your father ever loved him, and he has prepared his throne. Should in case anything happen to him in the future.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
There is nothing I can do. But you have to avoid him. Stand your ground. And do not collect anything from him. Ikenga wants to belittle you. He wants to make you his subordinate. And you will say no to it. Henceforth, you will have nothing to do with him. See him as your worst enemy. Do you understand?
Yes, mother.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Because Akweke is not the one I want.
But your people want her for you now. She has been dedicated to you even before she lost her parents.
Listen, Chuka. Chuka, please, listen. We came here to hunt and not to talk about Akweke. You just said now she's the one my parents want, not me. Am I not entitled to go for my heart?
You're very brave, man. Yes.
Thank God you know that. But then, Chuka, something just came to my mind now. I mean, something mystical happened while I was coming to see you. I heard a female voice calling my name. A sonorous voice. I could hear that voice clearly. That's what I really can't understand, but I'm sure I wasn't hallucinating. I heard my name clearly. It... Chuka.
What did he say?
Look at her. She's so beautiful.
My prince.
I can see her clearly.
There's no one here now.
Chika, there is someone. Wait for me, I'm coming. I'll be right back.
No, my prince. It's my duty to protect you.
Obodo, I'll be right back. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
My prince. My prince. My prince.
My prince!
My prince.
You need to see this girl. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. My prayer and my wish is to see her next time.
Really? So who is she?
That is what I can't tell, honestly. I can't tell. Honestly, I can't tell. All my wish is to see her next time.
Well, in that case, I'm sure you're going to see her another time.
You think?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, Adadi. You're such a nice person.
So long as she's a human, you see her. Hmm?
Thank you. You're a true friend. Appreciate it.
I'd say that.
Of the maidens will commence very soon. In no distant time it will commence. And I pray you find the woman after your heart.
I pray I found the right one, Mother.
Our women are beautiful and chaste. Like I said, I pray you find one so that your father will be happy wherever he is. And
my prince! My prince!
What is it, Ido?
Greetings, my queen. Some men are attacking our women in the farm nearby.
No! No! They are safe!
calm down. Let the guards go.
Also,
what did you hear this time? I heard that the prince is ignoring the almighty Akweke. It's a lie. As if that is not enough. I heard that she went begging him, Bikonu, 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 look at me. Hey! And the truth is that the prince does not even look at her. He does not like her. And the prince hates her. Hey! Debbie, you're not serious. Why are you behaving as if you are not in this village? What do I know, one? I'm happy, oh. I'm happy. Do you know why? Because that so-called Akweke, that she is so proud, arrogant. She's acting as if she's the only beautiful maiden in this village. Ngbeke. 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 How many times did I call you? You're just hating the girl. You just hate her for no reason. Akweke is beautiful. Everybody knows it. She is beautiful. No, okay, means I'm not beautiful. So look at me. Look at me very well. Am I not beautiful? You, beautiful. Who told you are beautiful? So I'm not beautiful like this. Beautiful like this. Please don't insult me here, please. Is it because I came to tell you what's happening in this village? As a friend. Beautiful girl. You see that is beautiful. You see that is beautiful. Beautiful. Rubbish. Every time she come here and talk rubbish. She always have things to say.
beautiful maidens. As you are all aware, Akweke here is one of the most beautiful and respected maidens in our village of Ama. And her late father was one of the bravest warriors we ever had in this kingdom. And I had long promised her father that my son, Ikenga, will marry her. And I want you all to respect her and oblige her. Do I make myself clear? Yes, Your Highness. Hear that well. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
You sent a message through your maid that you want to see me. Yes. Here I am.
Please, I want you. I need you. What? Don't you want me anymore?
Do not act as though you do not know.
I don't understand.
Still love me?
No, none of the women can make me stop loving you.
Then kill him. Yes.
But he's my brother.
I know. But I am the one you love. I am the one that pleasures you as many times as you want. Without me, you're empty. Why can't you get it? Do this for us. Do this so that
Let go of me.
Listen, boy.
What's the merit?
Listen. You need to think about your recent attitude. You've been acting funny. I mean, you see me these days, you walk past without greeting me, your elder brother. Has it gotten to that, Zulu?
You are not just altering my freedom. You're also telling me who to and who not to respect.
See, Zulu, do you realize that I am Ikenga, the heir to this throne?
I have the right to respect whoever I don't fit. And I do not care whoever or whatever you are. Because to me, you are nothing. Now let go of me.
This boy has finally lost it. But I promise you one thing. I will put you to order soon.
Where is the princess?
I'm scared of what I'm about to do. You may leave. Why are you so evil?
What are you talking about, mother?
I tell you something. Whether you like it or not, your plan will never work as long as I live.
What plan?
Aroka, don't even dare stopping your brother. Because whether you like it or not, he is ascending that throne. And let me warn you again, Aroka. Stay away from him.
So it was her. EJ Millie.
You. I want to see you. My mind tells me you're the beautiful maiden I saw the other day. Please, disclose yourself. I know you can hear me. Can you hear me? I'm here. Come to where? Can you hear me? Listen, I know you can hear my voice. And you must be hiding somewhere. Please, I want to see you again. My mind tells me that you are the beautiful maiden I saw the other day. Please, make yourself visible.
Ijele, what do you want from me? Leave me alone, Ijele.
Obi, I want your heart. Please give me your heart.
So you think that I, Akweke, will settle for a mere hunter like you? Wake up, it will never happen. Not in Amafo.
Obi, love conquers everything. I see you, I see hope in you. I see my tomorrow in you. You are as fair as the beauty that emanates from...
Oh, please. Save those words for someone that cherishes you, Ijele. I don't. Leave my way.
Sometimes we want gold, but silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver, but gold comes for us. Love, 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 bukoke onanya. Love,
was a mistake. I hope you're fine. Okay, sorry, I tried. Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll go home and change.
Tell me you've been standing here.
My prince, were you expecting me to watch that witch take you away from me? I am the only one betrothed to you. I will not let that happen.
Akweke, can't you save yourself this betrothed in love or whatever? How many times will I explain to you that I don't love you? How else am I going to sing it to you?
Prince, but I love you, please. Don't do this to me. Is it because of Oria? She's a witch.
Do you know you are disgracing yourself right now? Why are you kneeling down? Eh? Listen, let me tell you something. Girl, you are a very beautiful woman. I'm not disputing the fact that you're beautiful. But my heart doesn't love you. Understand that and move on.
My prince,
stop deceiving yourself with betrothed and all.
We can do something about it.
I want to go.
Silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver. Bed gold comes for us. Love way, love way, love bukoke honanya. Love way, love way, love bukoke honanya. Love way, sometimes is so bitter. Love way.
Help me. Help me. Help.
You've been the one calling me. Is you right?
Help me.
My prince! Stay away from my prince. She's evil, can't you say it, my prince? My prince, what are you trying to do? Bewitching you. My prince, can't you see? She's a witch. You're a witch. My prince. My prince.
I am Uriah. And you are the king god, the son of Igwe Okocha, and the lion of your people.
Oh, really? My name? How did you know all this?
I know everything.
So it's you. Those echoes. My names. So it's you.
Ask what you need not know. 'Cause I'm only a wanderer from the land far away. I bring you peace, bliss, and love.
Love. I don't understand.
Follow your heart. You shall know what your heart craves for.
So, you've come so I may find love. Is that what it is?
Follow your heart. I shall call you again. But now, go to your people.
No.
Go to your people.
Sometimes we want gold, but silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver, but gold comes for us. Love we, love we, love bukoke honanya. Love we, love we, love bukoke honanya. Love na toko tone, bona kwe buo. Love we, so sweet, sometimes it's so bitter. Love we.
Don't tell me you're still angry over what happened earlier today. Oluchi, the prince has to be mine. The prince must be mine. But it's yours already. That I know. But I have an intruder now. I do have an intruder. Who? Someone has come to contend the prince with me. Huria, or whatever they call her name, I don't care. But you know what? What? I shall confront her. I, Akweke, will confront her and place her where she belongs, the mud.
I trust you, the tigress Akweke.
Huria. Huria! Huria!
Is about to choose a wife. And if he does, that will
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. He cannot do anything. And even if he does, he will never, ever be king. Don't worry. I'll see you after dusk.
Ugoland has beautiful maidens. But I choose no one.
What was the meaning of that? Don't you know you need a wife to be coronated as the king?
It's more than none of them. None of them is the kind of woman I want.
So what kind of a woman do you want?
That woman is not in this kingdom. I shall go somewhere else and find her.
Somewhere else?
Yes, mother.
You have not heard this one.
Heard what again? Which one have I not heard? Tell me.
Do you remember that girl that challenged Akweke in the stream the other day and placed her in a place? Rumor has it that the prince is going after her.
Hey! Wamoku.
As if that is not enough. The prince has abandoned Akweke. He does not even look at her.
It's a lie. But that girl does not belong here. Nobody even knows her history.
She may be evil, but the prince does not care about that. When there is love, nothing else matters, even if she's a witch.
Mbeke, I know you're very happy that Akweke has lost.
I am very, very happy that she has lost. Obia, Tokage.
You think you are fine? Huh?
Who is he talking to? It can't be me. Definitely.
I am talking to the both of you. All you do in this village is to go about gossiping about who is marrying who and who is not marrying who. Have you ever asked yourself this question? Huh?
What foolish question? What question?
Huh? Why is it that all the able-bodied men in this village, like us, is not coming to ask for your hand in marriage?
Mbeke, did you hear that?
It is because you are too ugly.
Are you hearing this?
Ugly!
Okorobia, look at my eyes. They are very, very open.
I can see
Before I close my eyes and open it, Okorobia disappear. Okorobia disappear!
I am already on my way going.
Disappear!
I am already on my way.
Ijele. Yes, I've been calling you, but it seems you are lost from here. Is it her again? Jilly, my brother. You are only hurting yourself. You need to look out.
Look at how.
Sometimes we want gold, but silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver, but gold comes for us. Love we, love buko ke honanya. Love we, love buko ke honanya. Love na toko tonle, ba na kwebu kwebu. Love we, so sweet, sometimes it's so bitter. Love we, so sweet, sometimes it's so bitter.
You're beginning to get jealous of our friend, Oli.
She's so full of herself. The worst of it all, she does not take correction.
But she is still our friend.
I do not care. She thinks she's the most beautiful girl amongst us all. We are nothing but her subordinates.
That's a lie.
Open your eyes.
Mama. Oli. Oli, you're welcome.
You won't believe what the prince told me.
Did he finally acknowledge you?
He did. But he told me his heart is somewhere else. But that's not the problem. He told me his heart is not even with Akweke. Who then?
So, our tradition and culture, you know how it goes.
Yes.
It's not something I will start telling you now.
Exactly.
You know.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. Is that so? Dikeh,
Mother,
why are you dressed like this?
because I do not want anybody to know my true identity.
Son, I know you too well. I know that when you set out to do something, you don't stop till you achieve it. But this your cause.
What about this cause?
How sure are you on this? By the way, where are you heading?
I'm heading to Amafo.
Amafo is far. Then how are you sure you will find a maiden when you couldn't even accept one from here?
Mother, you worry too much. Allow me. I have my ways. Aruka.
Yes,
Make sure you take care of Mother and the kingdom while I'm away.
I will.
Oh, by the way, I've not seen or heard anything about EJ Millie the maid.
Oh, she eloped with her lover last night when everyone slept.
I have been waiting for you.
I don't know why you took this long.
Uriah, I came here to warn you to stay away from the prince because he loves you. Is that what you were going to say? Because I am betrothed to the prince. The prince has a choice to make, and Akweke, you are not his choice. Uriah, this will be my last warning to you. Stay away from my prince. You have no power or right to warn me, Akweke. Ikenga will be mine. He shall cling into my arms and suck my breast. Now you listen to me, you witch. My Ikenga will never stoop so low to get married to a woman who is not from this kingdom. You are not from Nigerian, so my prince will never get married to you. Do I make myself clear? I break that siege with my arrival here. So prepare for me, because henceforth you shall see me here
more often.
I see. Now you listen to me well. This is my final warning to you. The prince will never be yours. Do I make myself clear?
How dare you? How dare you, Akweke? The prince will be mine, and mine alone. You shall seek for love, but find none. And you shall cry and cry and cry like a baby, wishing he is yours.
How dare you? How dare you?
Don't you ever, and may never, raise your hands on me again, Akweke, because else,
this what we are.
Else, you shall die.
You were here, you didn't do anything to me. Stop following me around. What could you have done? Sorry. You are silly. I'm sorry. Don't follow me.
No, mother. That throne is mine and mine alone.
What did you just say?
You heard me correctly. I will be the queen and my husband will be the king.
Your husband? Did you say your husband? Aruka, you are not married. And even if you were, that man will never be the king. Dikeh, my son...
I will not allow it, mother.
What has come over you, Aruka? No. This is not my daughter talking. Do you know what it means to go against the tradition of our people?
I don't care. The throne is mine.
So distant from each other, and that hurts me deeply. You need to stop what you're doing, and that hurts me deeply. You really need to stop what you're doing. Let's reunite as brothers. However, there's something bothering me, and there's no one I can talk to. Spoken to Father about it, but Father doesn't seem to understand. Well, it's about Uriah, the woman I love so dearly. What do you think about it?
As long as it pertains to you, I am not interested.
Oh, Zulu, come on. It's not high time you stop what you're doing. Why do you hate me so much?
You want to know why? It is because you take everything from me. You are the only child Father recognizes.
And who says Father recognizes only me? Father loves us equally.
But that's not what he has shown. It's all about you.
Zulu, you just sound like a kid you are. How can a father dislike his own son? That's not possible. Well, I'll talk to Father.
There's nothing to talk about. Oh, as if it were not enough what Father does. You want to ridicule me by going to tell him to please recognize me? I hate you, Ikenga.
Zulu, would you stop what you're doing? What's wrong with you? I want you to know one thing. Blood, they say, is thicker than water. Think about it.
I do not care.
So evil about her. Is Uriah that evil?
thou shalt follow thy heart, or thou shalt not find love for the rest of thy life.
Said, who are you and what do you want?
I am the mother of the realms of the nothingness, the realms of the shadows, the realms of the foreboding.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Uriah! She is thy true love. Go after her. Forget the words of thy father.
What do you know about her?
Your father wants to separate you from thy heart. Your heart calls after her heart, and you must follow your heart. Go now to Amagon, the stream of grief. Go! Go! Go!
I've been chasing shadows, forgetting about my impeccable beauty and charms. But never again shall I condescend so low. I shall raise my shoulder high as one of the most beautiful maidens of Amafu, and not expect the least, and when tomorrow comes, I shall go further than usual.
Uli! 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 Ọ gịnị? Afọ na obi ga-anọghị ebe a. Agwakwana m na ị na-eche maka nwa eze. N'eziokwu. Ngwa bịa ka ije kwakọ ihe anyị eji si nri abalị. Chi ejigo m. O? Ka anyị wee nwee ike binye n'oge n'ụtụtụ echi. Ịnụ?
That is why I am still waiting for news.
Your Highness.
Yes.
I searched for him everywhere, but he's nowhere to be found.
What do you mean? That you could not find Ikenga in his chambers?
Where could he have gone to?
Obodo, get some warriors. Go and search for him. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
And you know the consequences of your coming back without him.
My king, calm down. If peradventure they didn't see him, Zulu, your son, can.
I forbid you to speak in that manner. So you wish Ikenga dead?
No, my king. Just that. How can I?
Then choose your words.
I'm sorry. Just that.
Where are you? My friend!
tired.
Likewise, I am tired. See, we have to go back and tell the king that we could not see the prince. That we didn't see him.
You know it's not possible, man. We can't. Or have you forgotten what the king told us? You see that the prince are our lives. So what do we do?
Either the prince or our lives. So what do we do? Tell me.
Oduma, we have no other option than to keep searching. Let's search for that. If you say so, we'll be in the front.
My prince! Where are you? No! The king wants to see you! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince, answer me! Please, we need to go home. My prince! Please answer me! Where are you, my prince? It is I, your favorite warrior. Please answer me! My prince! Please, can you hear me? I mean no harm. Where are you, my prince? Please, my prince, come out, let's go home. You mean no harm. It is I, your favorite warrior. My prince, please answer me. Let's go home. Everything is fine. Please, let's go.
Your brother will come back with his bride. And when he comes, he shall take over the throne. What about our love? What then happens to our love? Nothing. We will lose. Yes. Will you stand there and watch everything you fought for to crumble before your eyes? Answer me, Aroka. Will you? What will you do? What will you do? to have me for yourself forever.
Mother, tell me it's a joke.
What's the joke? What your father told me was what you've just heard. But you have to go to him and explain everything to him.
But how, Mother? He may not believe. And even if he does, he to the front and he will know what it is.
Kenga will please such. Alternatively,
I'm lucky to have you as a sister.
Listen, how do I look now?
You're looking so
Hope I'm looking good for my prince.
Yes.
Well, you didn't bring the mirror. By now I'm always looking.
Akweke, my friend, you won't believe what my ears just had.
What is it, Mesoma? Your ear is always hearing some things.
Akweke, the prince.
My prince? What happened to my prince?
The prince has gone missing.
It's a lie. I know you are lying.
As if that is not enough. Rumor has it that he might be dead.
My prince dead? How?
He has gone in search of that girl. And it is as though she has taken to the realm of nothingness, where she came from.
Wait.
Uria, yes. Uria, yes. Hey, my prince. Akweke, wait. Hey, Akweke, wait.
Elders of our land, this is a very serious matter. That
Long live Your Majesty.
Obiago, speak.
Your Majesty, our shrine is empty. The princess is nowhere to be found. I found her everywhere, but she's missing. Missing what? Missing.
Elders of our land, did you hear what Obiago just said? Eyes of the gods, still missing. Ever since that girl by name Uria came into this kingdom, our lives have never been the same. Never.
Your Highness, the Lion King of Amafra, let your heart not be troubled. In this kingdom, we do not bury our children, but our children bury us.
Yes.
I still believe Ikenga is still alive.
Ikenga is still alive? Then if Ikenga is still alive, where is he? Where is he? Then let him come out.
Your Highness. It's only the gods that can answer all these questions. It's only the gods. When a goat laughs upon hearing that a lion is alive, someone needs to find out which kind of grass it has been eating. Has any of you wondered if he had peradventure eloped with her?
It's not possible.
It can never be possible.
There's always sense and nonsense. There might be some atom of truth in what the Jupiter is saying. But let us still wait until the gods speak. But personally, I still believe Ikenga will return. Yes.
Akweke, my friend, you know I'll go to the end of this kingdom and even beyond for you. I do not want to see you crying. Mesoma, do you mind? Just go. Go back to the house. I'll come and meet you there. I want to be left alone.
Am I crying with your eyes, Mesoma? What is wrong with you? Please go. I want to be left alone. Just go. Akweke, I should go. I said you should go. Akweke, I should go. Go. Akweke, I'm leaving.
Mesoma, would you leave this place now? I'm going, no. You don't want to go? Okay, wait.
Akweke,
go! Get out of here. What is all this? Akweke.
Why are you so
Angelic, I take a very good look at him from head to toe. Why can't I find someone who will love me for who I am? Why is it so hard for someone to love me for who I am?
Okweke, you are mistaken. I do. You know I love you. And I've always loved you. So it's just that you don't look at my way.
Jenny, do me a favor. Do you mind playing your flute for me? Because at this point of my life right now, I'm losing it. Maybe your flute will calm me down.
Okay?
Father, look at me. I love this girl very, very much. I've searched everywhere for her, but she's nowhere to be found.
I don't think she loves you.
That is no best. I love this girl so much. She means the whole world to me.
Well, she could be dead.
Father, she's not dead. You can't be dead. That's not possible.
How do you know?
It's because my mind tells me so. I feel it. She might be in danger.
Imanga chukunidu, it can only try, it can just try.
My daughter. Daughter, how are you? Actually, welcome. Please meet Dikeh. Dikeh, meet my mother.
Greetings, Ine.
You're welcome.
Dikeh is a sojourner from far away Akunto village.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How may I help you?
Ine, I came from a distant land, so I need a place to rest.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Tomorrow I'll be leaving.
Let me take you to my place where you pick your bag.
This life, do lot of things just to claim, just to possess, but we forget one thing, which is faith. Faith and destiny can never be twisted. Can force a horse to the river, you can make it drink, not at all. Be careful the way you in your own word, cause you can decide your own fate. Onye mara obi Chukwu, onye mara obi Nnamo. Who knows the mind of God? Who knows the mind of God? Igaga Chukwu niru, imanga Chukwu niru. It can only try, it can just try. It can put a mountain, but it can change your fate.
Son? Ikenga? How are you screaming? Did you have a bad dream?
Somewhere. Muriel is alive. I saw her. I could hear the echo so clearly.
It must be a dream.
No, Father, it is not a dream.
If Uriah was still alive, she should have come back for you.
I asked myself some questions. But I saw Julia. I know what I saw. She's alive.
This life, we do a lot of things just to claim, just to possess, but we forget one thing, which is faith. Faith and destiny can never be twisted. Can force a horse to the river, you can make it drink, not at all. Be careful the way you in your own word, cause you can decide your own fate. Onye mara obi Chukwu, onye mara obi nna m. Who knows the mind of God? Who knows the mind of God? Ị ga-aga Chukwu n'iru, ịma Chukwu n'iru. It can only try, it can just try.
Oli, your people are so kind. I mean your Igwe Korota. Do you know that he provided shelter for my guards at the palace extension?
That is why he is called the Lion of Amafo.
I see. Well, we shall tarry no more. In the next 4 market days, like the king said, my people shall be your people. We shall eat together. We shall remain forever.
Dikeh, I'll see you at dusk.
Ije love, Ije love, Sikakwa. Ije love, Ije love, Sikakwa. Ije love, Ije love, Sikakwa. Ije love.
Ma, how surprising. You remember my name?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Oli is not good for you. She's possessed and evil. Any man who comes close to her becomes ruined.
But she's supposed to be your friend.
She's possessed. She tried to bewitch the prince in Kenga, but her plans failed. I can see she's doing same thing to you already.
No. Ma, I don't believe your words.
Come with me.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't listen to me. Don't you ever cross my path again. You wicked soul.
You lost your senses.
Oh, my prince, the Igwe gave us instruction not to let you.
My friend, get out of the way. Do you want me to feed you to the wolves? My friend, get out of the...
Ikenga! I asked them not to allow you to leave the palace. You are going nowhere. Why, Father? It is my instruction, and it must be obeyed. Where are the remaining guards? Make sure he doesn't leave the palace. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, you do.
Eyes of the gods, what's been happening to you?
Let him go.
Ikenga, that went missing, and is trying to embark on another journey so that he will go missing again.
And who says I'm embarking on another journey, Father? I'm only going to see Chuka, my friend.
Let him go.
You're out of your mind. Do you want me to feel
Ikenga!
wolves?
Wise one, why did you ask me to let him go?
Because that is sleep and she will never wake up again.
Really? Eyes of the gods, I am always in awe of your mysterious intelligence.
He has gone to search for her.
Ah.
But he shall return without finding
Oh yes, I see. They will go but will not find her. Beautiful.
Ebele, wonders shall never end in this village.
What happened?
The news has spread like wildfire.
Beke, you're not serious.
Akweke has become a laughingstock in this village. And the prince does not even look at her anymore.
You talk of Akweke. What about you? What about me? Do you want to tell me that you do not like Ijele? I see the way you look at him each time you have opportunity to be around him. I see the way you flaunt yourself at him.
Ebele, Ijele is a very strong and undaunted order. He is very passionate, calm, and very handsome.
I can see you like him very much. I want to kill yourself.
Ebele.
Greetings, Ijele.
Mbweke. How are you?
Greetings. Fine.
How is work today?
Fine.
Okay.
Ijele. Greetings.
You care for this?
For me?
Yes, it's for you.
Ijele, Obi ato come.
I guess I will be on my way.
Oh, thank you. Hey.
Greet your people for me, huh?
Oh, Dalu. Hey. How? Ijele. Oh.
Go nowhere.
Then you shall die.
So, what are you going to do now?
I shall find her.
But how?
Honestly, Chuka, I don't know. Nothing is coming to my mind right now. But I know whichever way, anyhow, I must find Uriah. I must find my love.
What if she's dead or probably has gone back to our world?
Then I shall die with her.
like a dream to me. So I'm going to be a queen. A queen! I can't believe this. It can never be possible. What did you say?
Dikeh must be mine. Ma, is this one of your jokes or something? No. I thought we were best friends.
He thinks you are the only one good for him. He believes you are the only one that can make him happy. But never. I also want to become his queen. And that can only be possible if you die.
Ma, I thought we were best friends. What has come over you?
We stopped being friends the day you had shown me. But never again. I have always wished for royalty to cross my path. But no! You have been the one shining! Rubbing it on my face that you're better than me! But do you realize it's only the living that can be happy?
Ma, this is not you. I think an evil spirit has possessed you.
You will go and tell Dikeh that you are not good for him. That I am the only one good for him. You shall do so! And step aside! If not. And that is the only way I can forgive you!
Forgive me! I have done nothing wrong to you. And listen, I will not stoop low to your offer. Dikeh is mine, and mine alone.
Dikeh can never be yours.
You lie.
Dikeh is mine.
You lie! Ma, you lie!
So you are a wolf on the sheep clothing. I never knew. You were just pretending to be my friend.
Ma, I never knew you were this evil. I am going to go to the village and tell everyone how evil you are.
And who will let you do that?
And who will stop me?
Ma, please, let me be. I don't want any choice.
I'm trying to take you out with
No! We shall not wait any longer. We shall not!
Look, my lord, you have to be patient. I have everything all planned out. Look, sweetheart, for the reason I live, you're the air that I breathe. Your touch will awaken my soul. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do for you so I can have you right now?
Swear you shall make me the king. Yes, swear.
Is that all? I swear. Dikeh will never descend that throne. So
Thank you very much, Ini. You and your beautiful daughter Oli have done more than enough for me. Thank you.
Greet your people for me.
I will, and I pray our path crosses again. May the gods reward you.
Thank you.
I do not want you to go.
Like I said, Oli, I pray our path crosses again. You have to go. Have to go back.
My daughter.
I pray that the gods will bring my son back so that you will be put to shame.
I wish he never comes back.
How dare you?
My dreams.
Where is she?
I found her. I found the woman my heart longs for.
So where is she?
She'll be joining us soon. I shall go back and bring her. Aruka, why are you not welcoming your brother? Aruka! Mother, what's wrong with Aruka?
Forget your sister. You need to rest now. Go in and freshen up, okay? Then you look for something to eat. Go.
My prince.
Oh.
Where are you coming from? All alone.
Adadi, I'm broken. The only woman I love is gone. She's gone. And I doubt if I'll ever see her again.
Hey, yeah. Do not give up on love.
Daddy, I'm not giving up on love. I'm not. I'm still here. But just that I'm worried. I'm worried if I'll ever see her again. I don't even know where she lives. Okay, fine. Even though she comes back later, my father will never accept her. She won't be accepted in this land.
I just believe you will see her again. Just...
That's my utmost desire.
Okay, just look up the sun. This one tells us that everything, anything you wish, you think it's possible. Just believe in love. I'm sure she will come back.
So you think she will come back?
I know so. She will come back. Let's go. Just cheer her up. Cool your mind. She'll come back.
Daddy, you're a nice person.
Let's go.
The love you seek and breathe for shall be your death. Your reign shall be relinquished. She shall take you away into the realms of nothingness, and never to come, never to step your foot on this palace. Then, when my husband, Igbo Korocha, grows old and dies, no one shall be left to take over from him but my son, Zulu.
I saw you, Oli. Oli, how dare you? I saw you with my betrothed. Now listen to me, Oli. You or no one else will take him away from me. Do I make myself clear? And what is funny?
Akweke, please, don't make me laugh.
Oli, I am warning you for the very last time. Oli, stay away from me, King. That is if you do not want to taste my bitter poison.
Akweke, I am not afraid of you. See, let me tell you, you are not his choice.
I say. And you are Oli.
Well, no. Someone else is. Find her.
Sometimes we want gold, but silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver, but gold comes for us.
Oh yeah?
Love, bukoke.
How can I
Love,
Kinga's father made me feel in the presence of other maidens today. It was such a moment not to forget. I felt like a queen already. But why are you quiet? You're supposed to be happy for me. And you know what always tell you. Mesoma, what truth are you talking about? What truth?
Do not take it the wrong way. But I feel the jealous love for you is the purest of them all.
How dare you? Mesoma, how dare you think so low of me that I mingle with a nobody, a hunter, an orphan of no royalty? Is that how low you think of me?
It is fate. He did not choose to become a hunter, nor an orphan. We don't choose who our parents become.
I don't care. I, Akweke, shall not be seen mingling with a nobody. But the prince.
Have you ever considered if the prince really loves you?
Mesoma, it doesn't matter. It is my duty to make the prince to fall in love with me, even if he's not in love with me. That's the prince. I think he's going after Atadi again. I shall follow him. I'll see you. My prince! My prince! Where are you going to? Don't tell me you are after Adadi again. My prince.
Do you realize that I'm the prince of this kingdom? And you don't ask me questions.
That I know, my prince. But I am also betrothed to you. My prince, I deserve some regards.
Ikenga.
She must be the one.
You must be who? My prince! My prince!
Agugo, make preparations. There shall be celebration in my palace.
My husband, the king and the lion of Amar. If I may ask, what are we celebrating?
Uriah is dead. That is why it calls for celebration. They have gone in search for her.
Even if they beat her, they can only find her dead body, and she will never come back to life again. That is why it calls for celebration. Oh yes.
Really?
So prepare, because there shall be a lot of merriment in my palace today.
No. This won't happen. This will not happen. Maiden, I want to be left alone. My son shall be the king. Shall be the king. The king. I await your return. Ikenga, I await your return.
This life, we do a lot of things just to claim, just to possess, but we forget one thing, which is faith. Faith and destiny can never be twisted. Can force a horse to the river, you can make it drink, not at all. Be careful the way you in your own word, cause you can decide your own fate.
Ansiafu, odeka nwa nwoke ikenga. Afugona, onwere ọma afụzi uri ọzọ. Mana agaghị ezigbo nwata m.
Ọ dịkwa egwu onye mara obi Chukwu, onye mara obi nna m. Who knows the mind of God? Who knows the mind of God? Igaga Chukwu niru, imanga Chukwu niru. It can only try, it can just try. It can put a mountain, but it can change your fate.
Ọ no ye mere ezigbo ihe ka ọ maka na ekpere ya na-eme ezigbo ihe maka na kemgbe nsi amalụ Chuka afụtụbeghị Chuka
afọzikwa
ma ọ bụrụ ọrụ maka na ọ dị nwoke ka m kwuchitere ya ma ọ bụrụ na Chuka tụrụ gị n'anya dị ka isi ezigbo ihe ka ọ bụ ezigbo ihe m ga-akwado
onye mara obi Chukwu, onye mara obi nna m. Who knows the mind of God? Who knows the mind of God? Ị ga-aga Chukwu n'iru, ịmanga Chukwu n'iru. It can only try, it can just try. It can put a mountain, but it can change your fate. This life, we do a lot of things just to claim, just to possess.
There are no words. Believe in your heart and change it out.
I believe in my heart. Just that I'm confused. I need to know if you love me the way I love you. I need to know if you will harm me tomorrow. I need to know your people. I
I need to know where you live. I need to meet them.
My heart beats for you.
Ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa nwe, ije love sikakwa. Love na tuto, modirizi nwanne m. Love na tuto, modern fecha nwanne m. Ije love sikakwa nwe, ije love sikakwa. Aga m akọle galole ifunanya nemmenu. Aga m akọle galole ifunanya nemmenu. Ụfọdụ na-ekwere ọnwụ ọkwa maka ifunanya, ebe ụfọdụ na-egbu n'onwe ha maka ifunanya. Ụfọdụ na-ejenu mba ebe ha na-achọ n'ifunanya. Ụfọdụ na-eme onwe ha ohu ha ncha maka ifunanya. Ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa.
Is this place like your resting point? Or where you live? Because it looks scary.
I'm scared of no one. No one.
You might not be scared of no one. How about wild animals? I mean, they could just come in here and eat you up. In that case, I shall be on my way. Nobody knows my whereabouts.
No, I love you. I want to be with you.
I know. I want to be with you too. But then, I have to go out.
There are two talisman in this cave. This is a sign of my love for you.
Ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa, ije love sikakwa nwe, ije love sikakwa.
Mysteries and mysteries abound. Whichever you choose will decide your fate or your ordeal.
Ije love sikakwa. Aga m akọle galole ifunanya nemmenu. Aga m akọle galole ifunanya nemmenu. Ụfọdụ na-ekwere ọnwụ ọkwa maka ifunanya, ebe ụfọdụ na-egbu n'onwe ha maka ifunanya. Ụfọdụ na-ejenu mba ebe ha na-achọ n'ifunanya.
My brains.
Sometimes we want gold, but silver comes for us. Sometimes we want silver, but gold comes for us. Love bukoke honanya. Love bukoke honanya. Love na toko tone, ba na kwe bukwe.
What do you mean all is planned out? No. All is not planned out. Your brother is about to take over the throne. And I will not watch that happen. Did you hear me? I will not watch that happen. We must stop him. We must stop him from getting that girl he talked about.
In that regard, we shall kill him. What? Yes. I am of royalty. I cannot kill him and go free. The gods will punish me.
The gods will not punish you. Trust me. I want you to kill him yourself. Do you not want us to be together again?
Obim, I want you. But I have to think. Look, Obim, we have made a wrong choice.
What are you talking about?
We cannot defile the throne. It is forbidden. Look, my love, let us run far away, where we can be together, and then you shall be able to...
The throne is all I want, and that is final.
It is impossible.
Then you shall die. You swore with your life, remember? You shall die! You swore with your life, remember?
It is impossible, and that is final.
Come and shut up! I said shut up!
My queen, the gods are here to deliver what you seek. Aruka was punished by the gods for killing her maid Ijemili. With the help of her lover Emeka, because of her greed for the throne. For this, Emeka has been punished by the gods with madness. He will roam Abugo for life. This is a lesson for everyone to learn from. For the gods are wiser.
Don't be like Akweke, who chases after the prince, even when she knows the prince does not love her. Look at who is talking. What's the meaning of that? As any man your way before. Wait, what's the meaning of that nonsense now? What kind of insult is that one now? In your entire life, don't try it again. Do you understand? Don't ever try it. I don't blame you. Look at who I call my friend. I blame myself for being a friend to a talkative and a venomous snake like you. Rubbish.
Love, love, bukoke honanya. Love we, love we, love bukoke honanya. Love na toko tone, bona kwe bukwe buo. Love we, so sweet, sometimes it's so bitter. Love we, so sweet, sometimes it's so bitter. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love bukoke honanya. Love it, love bukoke honanya. Love it, so beautiful, but say to it.
So you mean the soul donor? No, I mean the supposed farmer is a prince? Ma, you're not saying anything. How can this be? This is not happening. This can't be, Ma. A farmer, a prince. I can't believe it. Mom, that shall never end. I can't take this, Ma. I have to go.
No, this will not happen. I have to stop them. I have to stop them. I will not allow this opportunity pass me by. Only marry a prince while I sit down in my house. Never. What do I do? What do I do? Hey, I take care, my friend. Hey, you will not believe this. I have something to tell you. Tell me now. You know I can't wait. I know your ears are always itchy to hear something. Calm down, I'm coming. I have decided to give Ijele a chance. What? I'm not done. I'm not done. Let me finish. Okay. And then I am going hunting with Ijele today. Okay, you're joking. I am telling you. Are you ready?
It's okay. It's okay.
No one must be made to know where Uriah is. And Ikenga must be made to believe that Uriah is dead and gone forever. Where is she now?
She's far asleep in the wilderness.
I would like you to take me there. So, is she gone?
She's gone.
Gone forever?
Yes, but there is only one thing that can bring her back.
What exactly is that? Eyes of the gods. We shall prepare to take her body far away from our kingdom. But in the meantime, let us leave her body here.
Your sons will return in no distant time. Because the mission they went for
is in vain.
Oh, really? Their mission was in vain? Here's the wine. Eyes of the gods. A woman more powerful than a man. Without you, what will I have become? A great woman. Powerful, mighty, that all lands come to.
Uria, Ibu Abumonu, Makanka, ana mezi achiki. Ebisi nato wa. Makana ndi nwolawu na ndi dị ndụ na nwere mmekọ. Naga. Naga. Go.
Who are you?
Thou shalt follow thy heart, or thou shalt not find love for the rest of thy life.
I said, who are you and what do you want?
I am the mother of the realms of the nothingness, the realms of the shadows, the realms of the foreboding.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on my way to meet.
Uria!
She is thy true love. Go after her. Forget the words of thy father.
You know you, eh? What do you know about her?
Your father wants to separate you from thy heart. Your heart calls after her heart, and you must follow your heart. Go now to Amagon, the stream of grief. Go! Go! Go!
My love. This is not what we promised each other. I remember what we said. We will love one another forever. Now you want to leave me. Wake up. Wake up and sing me those echoes of love that dims my soul. You have taken her away from me.
They said there is a talisman within that cave after Amagon, the stream of grief, and that only the talisman can and will bring her back.
Do you like it?
I love it. What is it? The prince. What about the prince? He has gone in search for a cure for urea. And so rumors that she's somewhere very far, in a very deep sleep. If she comes back, Nkeka may die. He will die. Do something. He shall not stand. He shall not stand. My prince! My prince!
Akun!
My friends,